Meet Vinod, a placement officer juggling the tedious placement process for hundreds of students in the Indian Engineering College. Then there's Father John Kuriakos, the college manager. He's worried about falling enrollment rates and lack of placement opportunities for the students. Both have started using Genskill from Lycaeum. It's the perfect tool for upskilling students, bringing companies to campus for recruitment, and streamlining the placement process. Companies, students, and colleges are now under a single platform. Genskill makes technical concepts easy to comprehend, provides question banks, aptitude assessments, and mock interviews that help identify blind spots before interviews, makes company research easy, provides alumni engagement and required tools for placement officers to streamline chaotic campus recruitment processes, conduct pool drives, and job fairs. Using Genskill, students become skilled and get jobs they deserve, companies find and recruit great talent, and colleges improve their placements and enrollments. Visit us at thelyceum.in for more information.